Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how to find the length of the given number guys. Length of the given number, how to find in Python programming. For example, if you take 356 guys, if you take 356, here the length of the number is 3 guys. This is one digit, this is second digit, first digit, second digit, and this is third digit, guys. Here the length of the number is 3, guys. I mean, the count of the digits are 3, that we call it as the length of the number. The count of the digits in a given number is called the length of the given number, guys. Here the length is 3. For example, if you take 4, 5, 6, and 7, here the length of the given number is 4. For example, if you take 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, here the length is 8, 5 guys. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and 5. The length of the given number here it is 5 guys. This finding of the length of a given number, now I will explain you in coding guys, then you can understand how to write a code of the given number length, how to find the length of the given number guys. Here I am taken 356, I am taking guys. If I want to perform uh, length of the given number, I mean if I want to count the digits of a given number, means at first I have to first I will start from here. I have to count this 6 is one digit, and after counting this 6 I have to remove this 6 from the number. Then after it will become only 35, here it will be. After taking this 5, again I am counting. Here the count is 1 and here the count is 0. Here the count is 0 and here count is 1. After counting the 5, again I have to delete this 5, and finally we will get only 3, and I am counting the 3 number, this 3, the count becomes 1, 2, and 3. Again I have to delete this 3. Then finally we got, at first we got count as 1, next we got count as 2, next we got count as 3 guys. If I want to perform this procedure, I hope in previous videos I explained you about division operators, right? In float division, it will take coefficient as a output and it will give float value. In floor division, it will take coefficient as a result and it will give output as a integer. In modular division, it will take output from the remainder. It will take output from the remainder. If I want to delete this last digit and last digit up to the completion of numbers in a number, for counting the numbers, counting the length of the given number. Here I am taking the floor division, guys. Why I am taking the floor division means, for example, let's take 356 as an example. Here I am performing the floor division by using 10 guys. Here how many times it will go? It will go 35. 10 35s are equal to 350. Here I got a remainder as 6. I got a remainder as 6, right? Here in this case, this floor division case, it will take it will take output from the quotient. It will take output from the quotient. Here I am deleting the 6. Here I am removing 6 from this 356. I am removing the 6 and I got Here I got 35. Here I got 35. Again, I am dividing this 35 with 10. 10. It will gives 3, and here it is 30, and the remainder is 5. Here the floor division, again it will take output as, it will take output as 3. So here I taken 3, and here I am removing this 5 from the 35. Here I am removing the 535. Here again I am performing the same operation. In the here the count becomes 1. In this case the count becomes, after removing the one value from a given number, I am counting. So here one value I removed, so the count 1. Here one more value I removed, so here the count 2. Again, I am dividing floor division with a tree, but it will go 0 times 0. Here again I am removing this 3, so the count becomes 3. The count becomes 3. I will write a code for this, then you can understand. For example, here I am taking one number, guys. I am converting that number into integer. Enter a number. Enter a number, guys. First of all, if I want to count a digits in a given number, at first I have to take count value as a 0, guys. Count value as a 0 at first I have to take. Then only I will add that digits. After removing the digits, I can add the to the count. Yeah, first add the count value by initially 0, then after 1 will add to that count value, same count value, and again second time also it will add to the same count value. So here I am taking count equal to 0, guys. Here I am taking count equal to 0. So here I am using the while loop, guys. While loop I am using, while number get greater than 0, while number greater than 0, I am using, I am counting the number, guys. I am counting the uh, C equal to C plus C equal to C plus 1. I am performing. This is arithmetic operator. This addition is arithmetic operator. After counting the number, I am removing the last number. So I have to perform floor division. I have to perform floor division with them. After performing floor division, guys, you will remove the last digit from the given digit. Then after finally I am printing the count. I am printing the value of the count. For example, here I taken 356, guys. Here I taken 356. Count value initially 0. Count value initially 0. See, guys, here condition, you look the condition. See, guys, here you look the condition, the number means 356. 356 is greater than 0. Yes or no? It is right. After 356 greater than 0, the loop will execute. Inside the statements in the given loop, it will execute. Then the count equal to C is here, not C, count. Count equal to count plus 1. I am adding this count. At first count value is 0, right? Count value is 0. So 0 plus 1 I am adding. So the count value becomes 1 here. The count value becomes 1 here. 0, it will go and it will come count as a 1. Again I am performing Number floor division 10. Number floor division 10 means, number floor division 10 means I am 35 times it will go. 35 times it will go. It will give. Floor division always take output from the quotient. So here the number becomes 35, right? It will always take quotient as a result. So the number 356 floor division 10, I got output as a 35. Again this 35, again this 35, it will go to starting. It will go to the start of the loop. Again it will perform 35 greater than 0. After performing 35 greater than 0, it is true. Then it will execute the statements count equal to count plus 1. Now the count value becomes 1 previously. Here the count value becomes 1. Again I am adding count plus 1. So the count becomes 2 here. The count becomes 2 here. So the count becomes 2 here. The count becomes 2. The count becomes true. Again, I am performing floor division operator. Then this 35 after performing floor division 10 times with 10 I am performing. Here I 3 times it will go and 30 here we have to write 30. Then we get remainder as a 5. It always take quotient as a result by performing floor division. Here I got 3 as a output. So again here I got 3, right? Here I got 3, right? Again it will execute the loop. It will check the condition. Again 3 greater than 0. It will check the condition 3 greater than 0. So the condition is true, right? Again it will perform count operation. So previously the count is 2. So count plus 1 means 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal to the 3. So the count here it is 3. So this 2 will cancel and it will replace with 3. Count here it is 3. Again it will perform number floor division 10. Number floor division 10 means here the number is what? 3, right? So 3, again it will perform, it will go 0 times, guys. It will go 0 times 10 0 0 and it will get remainder 0. So here I got coefficient as 0, right? So it will cancel the 3 and it will give 0. Again this 0 will check the condition. So here it will check condition that 0 greater than 0. This condition is true or false, guys? 0 greater than condition is true or false? 0 greater than condition is false. So the 0 greater than 0 is condition is false. So it will won't execute these two lines. Then it will finally, it will execute the print statement, and finally we got count as a 3. We got count as a 3, guys. I hope you understand the logic behind it, how to find a length of the given number. Now I will execute this program and I will show you answer. Here it is asking enter a number. I am providing 356 as a number. I got output as a 3. Again, again I am executing the same program and 356 7 I am giving here, it will giving output as a 4. Again, I will executing the same program. Again, it is asking the given number. Now I am giving 6, 7, 8. Here, the count 3, 5, right? The count it is giving 5. In this case, the count is 3. I mean, length is 3. In this case, the length of the given number is 4. The length of the given number is 5. Any number you take, I mean 8, 9, any how much the length of the number will be, any number you take, same procedure we have to follow. Here, whatever explanation I gave here now, same process we have to follow. Here, why I am using only while loop, why not for loop means. Here we don't know the number of execution, how many times we have to execute the loop, we don't know. So I am using while loop. Suppose if you know the loop I have to iterate for 10 times, or I have to iterate the loop for 5 times, or if I have to iterate the loop for 6 times, then you go for loop. Then you go with for loop. If you don't know exactly how many times I have to repeat the loop means, then you go with while loop. So that is the reason why I used here while loop. See guys, this is the program related to the how to find a length of the given number, guys. This is the program. I hope you understand. You got clarity on this. That's all about in this video, guys. And again, I will come up with new video tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys.